Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video is going to be around stuff. I think I'm going to do a bit of drone flying, and I've got to get some stuff done for my video coming out this Friday. Well, sorry, it'll be the other Friday before, because this will go out the other day. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is I found a nice quiet spot where I can fly my drone. Yeah, there's a really good shot actually I can see right now, which I need to get the drone out. So let's get it out and get ready.
In the stillness somewhere above the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true that you are lost and this is a clue. Love is forever. Love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever.
So another good little flight, except for this bloody seagull that keeps going. Listen to it. Here he is. Bloody thing. He just keeps... He nearly hit the drone. You're hunting for it, basically. I don't know what he wants. Crazy. So I've done that now. I'm gonna get some B-roll and let's make a little B-roll roll. Woo!
Been a real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulder, heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night. Starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt.
If you like this video, click like. If you want to see more of my content, click subscribe. And if you want to see anything else I do, look in the information down below. There's all my equipment, little stuff I'm selling. So yeah, so I will see you lot in my next video. Bye!
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time.